So here we have Dr. Rupan Sanyal from Jacksonville. He works in the Mayo Clinic. He's a radiologist. He came to India on Thursday night.
Early Friday morning I came in, and we had our first session done Saturday morning, and today the second session, Monday morning, and I hope to go back day after tomorrow on Wednesday evening. I got a flight booked, so things seem to be on schedule at the moment. So it's been a great seamless experience. When I was there just a week before, because this is kind of a last moment thing for me, I was coming to India to visit my parents for a week. So I asked a friend of mine who is a doctor here in town that give me a name. And then he said, there's only one person, he's the best. He has been doing this for the longest time. Then I Googled, saw some videos. I was like, okay, clearly this is the man. I sent a WhatsApp, got an immediate reply, had a video consult in like 12 hours, fixed the date. I said, I'm coming this on Friday, early Friday morning, said he can do it on Saturday. And that was the convenience of this was extraordinary. And his team here is incredibly experienced. Have been here for like 22 years. He's got fellows, plastic surgery, post-MCH fellows. That's pretty impressive.
3 of them.
Yeah, 3 of them. That's like really impressive. But seriously, yeah, it was no pain. That was very critical.
And you're not cutting your hair.
Yeah.
So you're going to go back with the mop, whatever normal.
Yeah, I'm gonna have this younger kind of a hairstyle.
So we did an FUE. We had a choice between FUE and FUT. He was willing to do both. Then finally, just because he's a doctor, he wants to go back and join work immediately. We went to FUE.
Yes.
We did FUE only from the back to cover the front. Today we did more FUE from the back in the central area, which is going to cover the crown and some from the beard. No telltale signs left. Go back to work on Monday.
Yeah.
Keep looking at yourself and get new hair by the end of the year.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, friend.